Hi guys, welcome back to Estella Wilson Creation. Today is day 2 of our Myrtle Beach vacation. We started it off with breakfast. Of course, we had to eat out on the deck or the porch. It was overlooking the beach. It was so nice. We cook breakfast every single day, but we went out for dinner. So I'm just going to take you along on the day at the beach. Look at the sky. I wanted to show you the sky because I thought it looked so like blue. So the sky was just like amazing. And I like that they have palm trees in Myrtle Beach. So basically, we're going to hang out at the beach all day long. I'm going to take you along if you just need something relaxing or if you want to see how Myrtle Beach looked. I can tell you that the waters were so clear. It reminded me a little bit of Clearwater Beach as far as the ocean, but no seagulls. At Clearwater Beach, there's tons and tons of seagulls, and at Myrtle Beach, there were no seagulls bothering you. It was so peaceful, and not a lot of people were out there. The only thing I didn't like is they rent chairs, beach chairs, for like $20 a person, or you can bring your own. We used some that was with our Airbnb and then we just put them back. We did consider purchasing them, but if you're going to rent an Airbnb, I would either see if the Airbnb had some or buy some maybe from Walmart, because $20 per day is a bit much when you could buy one chair at Walmart. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'll see you at the end. Beaches at Kingston Plantation have been designated a firework-free zone. So the walk to the beach couldn't be any closer. You're going to go downstairs in our lobby, through the hallway, and then across the courtyard to this little wooden, I guess, bridge. You are going to go up maybe 10 stairs on each side. So 20 stairs in this Airbnb. I didn't count, but it's around 20. If you have bad knees or, you're a little bit on the heavier side, as I am, you just might have to go a little slower. I walk a little slower than most anyway, but it's no big deal. Nene crazy, she gonna fall. Oh, Nene, that's a good picture. It's called. No, Sissy don't care. She a fish. Sissy a fish. She like.
It's so cold.
What?
I'm not gonna go out there.
You can get your feet ring out of
What's that? It's better than the what's called?
Yeah.
I mean, the water was. Yeah, it's clear, and Biloxi was dirty.
We should do for the day and then buy the
Yeah, that's how I
tomorrow
was.
maybe. Tomorrow's gonna be the warmest day. And we don't have nothing but dinner, I think.
I don't know. I like these things though. But the other beach had a lot of rocks, remember?
Yeah.
Maybe this just shells here, but it had like a whole bunch of rocks here. I can't believe that Sissy is in there.
It's cold.
You're like, what? No woman up freezing. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's so pretty out here. You know she can swim.
Those waves look really big.
Oh, look, she better jump over them.
Hey, these things coming in.
I know I left mine over here.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Now looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
The ocean was so peaceful and it was just so relaxing. It was the perfect place to go for our 18th anniversary. We had absolutely so much fun at the beach. My niece is a mermaid and you look at me in the water. I can't. We had such a good time and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're considering Myrtle Beach, or if you have any questions about Myrtle Beach that I can help you with, just put the questions in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.